Karma is real. Sige, karma is real.
Hi everyone, good morning. Today we are here in Orlando. This is going to be our first time going to the Disneyland today, guys. Oh no! We are in Rosen Inn, Lake Buena Vista here in Orlando, guys. And it's going to be our first time going to Disneyland today. Yes, so I will update you all later. We are very excited.
Like 15-20 minutes.
Hi everyone, we are here in the bus. We are going to Epcot first, and then we're gonna take the monorail to Magic Kingdom. Everyone, we are here in Epcot, but we are gonna take monorail going to Magic Kingdom.
Everyone, we're in Paris.
So, we're in Paris Disneyland.
Yes.
Orlando Disneyland. Bebe. Again! Di pa? One hour.
Pick mo naman
Aga pa. Wala lintino ka sa kamita. Okay guys, we are walking to the monorail from Epcot to Magic Kingdom. Just walking here. Woo! Running now. And it's uphill. That is the Epcot. Yeah.
What side?
Yes, guys, we are here in the monorail already. Yes. And you.
So how to get to the monorail in Epcot? Once the bus drops you off, keep going towards the entrance of Epcot. Go past the security, but don't go through the ticket check because we didn't have a ticket anyway. So just turn to the left, and there you will find like some type of ramp getting into the monorail station that's going to some other park, and then from there there's another one going to Disney.
Magic Kingdom.
Yes.
Yeah, we are going to Magic Kingdom. So we are here in Epcot taking the monorail to the Magic Kingdom. We're here in Magic Kingdom. We arrived in Magic Kingdom. Not yet. He's looking for food, guys. Wala pa kao. Hindi pa kao. Ulitas. Ate mo. Magic Kingdom. Haunted Mansion.
50 minutes wait time, or that's just maybe an estimate?
Estimate.
Overestimate.
Into Haunted Mansion.
Hi, go.
Guys, yeah, we just got out of the Haunted Mansion. Oh god, it was super fun, guys, but we cannot vlog or take a video because it was too dark there. Yeah. Hey guys, we are still here in Magic Kingdom. We're still walking around. We are looking for something nice here. Hey! Say something about the Magic Kingdom. Our first time.
Yeah, it's our first time. It's so fun.
So much fun.
What
else? How was your travel going from Dallas? I'm sweating.
What did you do today?
Eat.
Eat and what?
Eat and being naughty. What else? Nothing else.
Nothing else.
Carlos,
Carlos, say hi.
Gusto ko yung subukan, no?
just enjoy watching the vlog.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Karma is real.
Karma is real. Sige, magpaparinig ka pa.
Karma is...
Here guys, under the sea. Under the sea this time, guys. Yeah.
I bring good news! Your cloud shows will begin moving immediately! Stay in your seats now. Let's play the bass, let's sound the jump. Let's play the bass, let's play the jump. The moon is the new console. Now the fish is happy as all the waves do. The fish on the land is happy. The circles they pull. But fishing before is lucky. They were something. One day when the lost get hungry.
Send her to the right place. Yes.
Still here in Magic Kingdom and waiting for the fireworks. It will be about 2 hours from now. Yeah. We are here below the Tron. That's the Tron right there. I'll show you the Tron. We're not gonna take the Tron right now. we are scared.
There's magic in the air tonight, and anything might happen.
Destiny lies within you. You just have to be brave enough to see it, and then your journey begins.
That's what friends are.